Ever dreamt of unlocking the secrets of data? Yearning to become a data scientist but unsure of where to start? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to guide you through the 10 essential steps to become a data scientist, emphasizing the importance of continuous learning. Step 1. Master Python fundamentals. Python is the go-to language for data science. Start by learning the basics on platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, or Udemy. Ensure you're comfortable with syntax, data types, control flow, and functions. Step 2. Grasp mathematics and statistics. Data science is rooted in maths and stats. Core concepts like linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics are crucial. Turn to resources such as Khan Academy and MIT OpenCourseWare to deepen your understanding. Step 3. Dive into data manipulation. Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib are your tools for data manipulation and analysis. Learn to perform operations with NumPy, handle tabular data with Pandas, and visualize with Matplotlib. Step 4. Master data visualization. Go beyond Matplotlib. Explore Seaborn and Plotly for advanced visualization. The aim is to create visually appealing and informative plots and charts. Step 5. Get hands-on with machine learning. Start with sci-kit-learn to understand various machine learning algorithms. The next move, implement these algorithms on real-world data sets. Step 6. Deepen your machine learning knowledge. Delve into deep learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch. Understand neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and work on projects in image recognition, natural language processing, or time series. Step 7. Acquire big data technologies knowledge. Familiarize yourself with Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark for handling large-scale datasets. Learn to process and analyze big data efficiently using Python APIs like PySpark. Step 8. Sharpen your skills with real-world projects. Build a portfolio that showcases your problem-solving skills. Participate in Kaggle competitions or contribute to open-source projects. Step 9. Stay updated with the data science community. Engage with online forums, blogs, and platforms like Kaggle and DataCamp. Staying informed about the latest trends and tools in data science is key. Finally, Step 10. Never stop learning. Continuously explore advanced topics like natural language processing, reinforcement learning, or Bayesian statistics. Attend conferences, read research papers, and stay curious to broaden your expertise. Remember, becoming a data scientist is a journey, not a destination. Equip yourself with the right tools, knowledge, and mindset, and you're already halfway there. So get started and embrace the world of data science with confidence and curiosity.